Damn.
Hi there, I'm Doug Motel, and I'd like to invite you to join me on August 25th, 26th, and 27th at the beautiful Rowe UU Camp and Conference Center in Rowe, Massachusetts for a transformative weekend where we're going to be playing the game of life. It's a weekend of personal growth designed to help us break free from that endless loop, of living in our heads and all of the distractions that keep us from being aware of the present moment. We'll explore through storytelling, writing and drawing exercises, paired sharing, improvisation games, and also guided meditation. It's a weekend of tips and tricks and brain hacks about experiencing the preciousness of life. Not just thinking about our lives, but really actually showing up for them. And we're going to do it in an environment that's filled with laughter and the camaraderie of hanging out with like-minded people. And to kick things off on the opening night, Friday, August 25th, I'm going to be performing my acclaimed solo play, Mind Salad, which I think of as a comedic, thought-provoking exploration of the voices, so like in our head, all the different characters that live in there. So it's some food for thought. Get it? Mind salad, food for thought. Anyway, I'm looking forward to doing that. So let's take a break from searching for meaning in places where it cannot be found and find new ways to enjoy the game that we're already playing, life. I can't wait to see you in Rowe. Until then, play on. If you'd like to register, visit dougmotel.com or just Google playing the game of life, Doug Motel. It should come up. And thanks for listening.